Whoa, careful now. Both of us on the same side of this little tiny bench.
This is a little tiny
You got
table.
It's your standard picnic table, and the seats are actually outside of the contact point of the legs.
Yeah.
So if you put too much weight on a seat on
It's
one
gonna
side
go
without putting
whoop.
something on the other side,
Yep.
you're gonna remember America's Funniest Home Videos?
Uh-huh.
$10,000.
We don't want to do that.
We don't want to get the $10,000 that way. You can send me $10,000 if you want, but I don't want to tip my table. Actually, if I knew I was going to get 10,000, yeah, I'd take the table over in a heartbeat.
Well,
I've done a lot worse for a lot less.
That's true. That's true. Well, the table is about as wide as the frame of this video. Like one edge is my hand here is one edge of the table. His hand is the other edge. So that's how
half a table.
That's how small this tiny little table is. But behind us, if I shift over, look what we have over there.
I can't see the screen that well.
We have, check it out. It's a chocolate strawberry fruit truck.
That's at the corner of
Calloway and Rosedale.
In the taco truck court.
Yes. So these guys have all kinds of different stuffed strawberries. Let's walk over and take a quick peek so you can see what they look like. They have crepes, they have mini pancakes, they have Dubai chocolate strawberries, milk chocolate strawberries, cotton candy, matcha, for those of you who love matcha. So we got all this amazing stuff, and this is the cutest ever little pink truck. There's two of them working away in there, doing all the good stuff, and even their tip jar is a strawberry. Oh, it's ready already. My goodness, look at that. That is gorgeous. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. Thank you. So this is the Strawberry Dream Factory, guys. Oh, you are welcome. Here it is. Look at this.
Oh my goodness. And I do mean goodness.
Strawberry Dream Factory.
What the?
So it's not just like a chocolate dipped stuffed strawberry.
I did not expect something like this.
This is a whole fancy cup. So we have our sliced up strawberries. And I see the pistachio all over the top of it, as well as knafa. Oh.
Wow.
That smells chocolate and creamy and strawberry. And you should have good texture from the knafa, which is the little shreddy stuff.
Which is what?
It's like a Middle Eastern, it's not really a pastry, but it's kind of like a vermicelli style toasted noodle thing.
We'll have to look it up, and I'll.
But it adds great texture. So
it's like this right here. Yeah, like that.
All right, this cup is mounded up. Wow.
Gotta get the battle spork out again.
That is excellent. Why don't you go for the strawberry on the top?
That's a strawberry in there?
That is a strawberry right there.
Oh my goodness. Do the fork end of the The battle sport.
There you go. So there's your strawberry, all covered in all the goodies.
Wow.
Mm.
Creamy chocolate.
You have a pistachio cream, a milk chocolate, creamy milk chocolate,
I'm trying to cut a strawberry in half here. I don't want the whole thing again. That was
and it's contrasting. You have the ripe, rich, vibrant strawberry flavor, and then you've got the crunch, which adds this great little surprising texture from the knefe and your pistachios, your ground up pistachios.
strawberries are hard to cut apart because they're fresh. They're firm.
Good strawberries. That is delectable. That is so good. And it's a nice take on the Dubai chocolate. Because Dubai chocolate is when you have a rich chocolate and it has that pistachio cream and knefe inside it. So it's all of the ingredients plus the bonus of perfectly ripe, juicy strawberries. Whoop.
I thought the Dubai chocolate included something having to do with pistachios.
It does. Pistachio cream.
Oh, pistachio cream. Okay.
And this is, okay, so this light colored stuff, this is the pistachio cream, and you have all of the green that is actual ground, finely ground pistachios. So,
I can barely hear. They got the music cranked up so loud here.
wow.
Some people like that.
So, yeah, this is absolutely delicious. And it is an amazing finish to your meal or even just a treat all by itself. You could come here and just get this and leave so happy.
Yeah, because we just ate at the Egyptian truck here. So there's no way we're eating all of this.
Well, we couldn't eat all of our Egyptian food either, but that's okay because leftovers mean you get to enjoy it again. So, yes, this is phenomenal.
This is a food truck court.
Yeah.
Rosedale and Calloway. Off-street parking. You got sushi, and they just opened up. You got Mike's Smoke and Grill, which I'm assuming is going to be smoked meats and gotta wait for the Harley to leave the neighborhood.
Pretty much smoked meats, I think. And we have a smash burger shack.
Magnolia Kitchen has dirty sodas, fresh cookies, sourdough bread, mariscos, and other Mexican seafood. The Strawberry Shack over here.
Oh, the Strawberry Shack is great.
Tiny little trailer.
It's not just the Strawberry Shack, it is the Strawberry Dream Factory. And wow.
There's a taco trailer over there, like taqueria, sweet tacos or street tacos with handmade tortillas. If you haven't had a fresh handmade tortilla, you gotta try that. And then we've got birria.
Oh yeah.
Those guys are good. And then the Egyptian trailer.
Hey honey, you're like very pretty.
Custom printed cups.
It is not kidding. The cups are very pretty.
Especially when you fill them up with all the strawberries.
That is good stuff right there.
I got to get some of this stuff off the bottom here, though.
All right.
Then I'm done.
Yep. We have reached full, and what a way to reach it.
Wow.
Yep.
The chocolate and the cream and stuff is really tasty.
That all blends together so well.
So as I just mentioned, with all these different trailers here, there's something for everybody. Bring a family.
Come on down.
Hit as many of these trailers as you need to make everybody happy. They're all good quality food. I think the only ones that we haven't eaten at is, let's see, we've had the Moriscos. Now we've had the strawberries. We've had the birria, which we were pronouncing birria.
Yeah,
Birria.
but it's birria.
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 So you're thinking of having a taco, and I'm not a beer drinker, but a lot of people that have a taco, they have a beer. Birria. So it's birria,
Birria.
not birria.
There you
We've
go.
got the Egyptian food we have just had. We haven't tried their sushi, but it looks like they've got Mexican style sushi, which
Okay.
we've had some of that at another taco trailer.
It says it's estilo Sinaloa, so Sinaloan style sushi.
We'll have to try them. I mean, there's a lot of things to try here. Well worth it. It's starting to get crowded again. So we're out of here.
This is us signing out from the Strawberry Dream Factory.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.
Come on down and treat yourself.
Have fun. That's the main thing.